Negative examples for am, position. I am not tired. I am not happy. I am not ready. I am not busy. I am not cold. I am not excited. I am not hungry. I am not thirsty. I am not relaxed. I am not sleepy. Condition. I am not tired after the workout. I am not happy with the decision. I am not ready to leave yet. I am not busy right now. I am not cold in this sweater. I am not excited about the movie. I am not hungry after lunch. I am not thirsty after drinking water. I am not relaxed in this noisy environment. I am not sleepy after having coffee. Negative examples for am, identification. I am not a doctor. I am not your teacher. I am not interested in sports. I am not the person you're looking for. I am not a member of this club. I am not a native speaker of English. I am not the owner of this house. I am not familiar with this neighborhood. I am not a good cook. I am not a fan of spicy food. Interrogative examples for am, position. Am I tired? Am I happy? Am I ready? Am I busy? Am I cold? Am I excited? Am I hungry? Am I thirsty? Am I relaxed? Am I sleepy? Condition. Am I tired after the workout? Am I happy with the decision? Am I ready to leave yet? Am I busy right now? Am I cold in this sweater? Am I excited about the movie? Am I hungry after lunch? Am I thirsty after drinking water? Am I relaxed in this noisy environment? Am I sleepy after having coffee? Interrogative examples for am, identification. Am I a doctor? Am I your teacher? Am I interested in sports? Am I the person you're looking for? Am I a member of this club? Am I a native speaker of English? Am I the owner of this house? Am I familiar with this neighborhood? Am I a good cook? Am I a fan of spicy food? Negative examples for is, position. He is not tired. She is not happy. It is not ready yet. The cat is not hungry. The water is not cold. The movie is not exciting. The food is not spicy. The book is not interesting. The weather is not hot. The computer is not on. Condition. He is not tired after the run. She is not happy with the news. It is not ready to use. The restaurant is not busy right now. The coffee is not hot in this cup. The child is not excited about the party. The room is not noisy during meetings. The cake is not sweet. The dog is not calm around strangers. The software is not updated. Negative examples for is, identification. He is not a doctor. She is not your teacher. It is not an expensive car. This is not the person you mentioned. She is not a member of the team. He is not fluent in French. This is not your house. He is not familiar with this city. She is not a good singer. It is not a safe neighborhood. Interrogative examples for is, position. Is he tired? Is she happy? Is it ready? Is the cat hungry? Is the water cold? Is the movie exciting? Is the food spicy? Is the book interesting? Is the weather hot? Is the computer on? Condition. Is he tired after the run? Is she happy with the news? Is it ready to use? Is the restaurant busy right now? Is the coffee hot in this cup? Is the child excited about the party? Is the room noisy during meetings? Is the cake sweet? Is the dog calm around strangers? Is the software updated? Interrogative examples for is, identification. Is he a doctor? Is she your teacher? Is it an expensive car? Is this the person you mentioned? Is she a member of the team? Is he fluent in French? Is this your house? Is he familiar with this city? Is she a good singer? Is it a safe neighborhood? Negative examples for are, position. They are not friends. We are not students. You are not welcome. These cats are not hungry. These waters are not cold. These movies are not exciting. These foods are not spicy. These books are not interesting. The weathers are not hot. The computers are not on. Condition. They are not busy right now. We are not ready to leave yet. You are not cold in this sweater. These restaurants are not busy during lunch. These coffees are not hot enough. These children are not excited about the party. These rooms are not noisy during meetings. The cakes are not sweet enough. The dogs are not calm around strangers. The softwares are not updated. Negative examples for are identification. They are not doctors. We are not your teachers. You are not interested in sports. These people are not the ones you're looking for. These members are not part of the committee. These speakers are not native English speakers. These houses are not ours. These neighbors are not familiar to me. These cooks are not good at baking. These fans are not fond of loud music. Interrogative examples for are position. Are they friends? Are we students? Are you welcome? Are these cats hungry? Are these waters cold? Are these movies exciting? Are these foods spicy? Are these books interesting? Are the weathers hot? Are the computers on? Condition. Are they busy right now? Are we ready to leave yet? Are you cold in this sweater? Are these restaurants busy during lunch? Are these coffees hot enough? Are these children excited about the party? Are these rooms noisy during meetings? Are the cakes sweet enough? Are the dogs calm around strangers? Are the softwares updated? Interrogative examples for are identification. Are they doctors? Are we your teachers? Are you interested in sports? Are these people the ones you are looking for? Are these members part of the committee? Are these speakers native English speakers? Are these houses ours? Are these neighbors familiar to you? Are these cooks good at baking? Are these fans fond of loud music? Interrogative negative examples of is with position, condition, and identity. Position. Is the book not on the table? Is she not in the kitchen? Is the cat not under the chair? Is the car not in the garage? Is the picture not on the wall? Is he not at the bus stop? Is the school not near the park? Is the dog not in the garden? Is the pen not in the drawer? Is the phone not on the bed? Condition. Is she not tired? Is the water not cold? Is he not happy? Is the milk not hot? Is the room not clean? Is the weather not nice? Is the movie not interesting? Is the food not delicious? Is the road not busy? Is the dog not sick? Identity. Is she not a teacher? Is he not a doctor? Is this not a pen? Is that not a cat? Is it not a book? Is she not my friend? Is he not a student? Is this not my car? Is that not her house? Is it not a beautiful day? Interrogative negative examples of are with position, condition, and identity. Position. Are the books not on the table? Are they not in the kitchen? Are the cats not under the chair? Are the cars not in the garage? Are the pictures not on the wall? Are the students not at the bus stop? Are the schools not near the park? Are the dogs not in the garden? Are the pens not in the drawer? Are the phones not on the bed? Condition. Are they not tired? Are the waters not cold? Are they not happy? Are the milks not hot? Are the rooms not clean? Are the weathers not nice? Are the movies not interesting? Are the foods not delicious? Are the roads not busy? Are the dogs not sick? Identity. Are they not teachers? Are they not doctors? Are these not pens? Are those not cats? Are they not books? Are they not my friends? Are they not students? Are these not my cars? Are those not her houses? Are they not beautiful days? Interrogative negative examples of am with position, condition, and identity. Position. Am I not at the library? Am I not in the kitchen? Am I not under the tree? Am I not in the car? Am I not at the bus stop? Am I not in the park? Am I not at the office? Am I not on the terrace? Am I not in the classroom? Am I not in the bathroom? Condition. Am I not tired? Am I not happy? Am I not hungry? Am I not busy? Am I not ready? Am I not excited? Am I not thirsty? Am I not nervous? Am I not relaxed? Am I not sleepy? Identity. Am I not a student? Am I not a teacher? Am I not your friend? Am I not an engineer? Am I not a good cook? Am I not a musician? Am I not an artist? Am I not a writer? Am I not a fast runner? Am I not a kind person?